Hello, Sammler und Fallensteller. Today I want to talk about my searching for flea markets here in Europe, and I can say to you, until today I haven't visited many flea markets this year. Not a single one in Germany. There have been a few in Holland, but they were not satisfying for me, and so I keep searching on. Well, they on these flea markets I visited this year were a lot of kids stuff and kids clothing and something like that. Not very much for me by interest, but nevertheless, I found something very interesting for me, and I would like to present it to you. First of all, I want to show you a painting I made in the last week. It shows Mr. Charlie Watts, the passed away drummer from the Rolling Stones, one of my favorite drummers at all, and I think it's a nice memory. And now I want to show you what I got on the flea market in the Netherlands. And this is it's called in Germany a Forstner Drill. It's an adjustable Forstner drill from Sweden, from CI Fall, Sweden, and in Swedish it's called Stellbar Bor, record number 22. And I think this drill looks very good. Let's try. Now I want to try. Put this in. Make a little hole. And let's get started. Oh. One moment. And it works. It works. Oh yeah. It works very well. That was a good deal, I guess.